Sanjay Dalal, the President and Managing Director of IIG Innovation Index Group. Thank you for visiting our website. I'm also an investor, entrepreneur, and an innovation thought leader. I'm the founder of the Innovation Index. I founded Innovation Index in December 2006. I launched it at my blog, Creativity and Innovation Driving Business. Since then, I've been publishing quarterly reports on the Innovation Index, the top 20 innovators, and their performance. Please check out my blog for further details. I also recently authored a book, the faculty ebook on innovation and creativity in business. If you go to my blog site, you should be able to find a link to download the book as well. A little bit of disclosures. All investments in the Innovation Index and the Innovation Index Fund, they are not FDIC insured. They do not have any bank guarantees, and they may lose value, including the principal. Please see the fund's offering memorandum dated May 15, 2008. Refer to the PPM for full disclosures. Is the Wall Street beating you? That's the focus of today's workshop. Are you tired of losing your hard-earned money? Are you really tired of paying all the management fees, especially when your investments are going down in value? What is the solution you are seeking today? Let's just take an example of 3 stocks. These are 3 current stocks in the Wall Street. Look at what has happened to them. They have lost 80%, 60%, 90% in their value in just 1 year. These markets, the current Wall Street and the current markets, can potentially kill your investments. How do you watch out for those? Some of the major indices are also down in 1 year. From the peak in October, November of 2007, they're down more than 20%. And what happens is an individual investor can really get killed in such a market. Today's workshop is focused on how you beat the Wall Street and take control of your finances and invest profitably. And we're going to show you some real tips on how to do that. IIG, Innovation Index Group. We are the makers of the Innovation Index Fund. We are a new investment company. We launched our fund for external investors last year in 2007. The fund is built on the Innovation Index, and we invest in the top 20 innovators in North America. Our focus is simple. We find the best 20 to invest every year and stay with them for the whole year. Disciplined, systematic investment approach. That's our key to investment profits. And the best part is we don't charge any asset management fees. We're going to talk more about that. Our founding principle. Our basis is that the top innovators, the top innovative companies in the world who have demonstrated a solid history of innovations, revenue, and earnings growth, they are most likely to produce the highest returns in the future. Those are the companies we invest in. Let's look at an innovation index in the last year and a half. From December 06 through August of 08, the innovation index is up about 67%. In the same time frame, the S&P has been down 10%. What does that mean? It means the gap between the innovation index and S&P 500 is almost 77%. How would the innovation index would have performed over the previous 5 years? Well, if you had invested $10,000 in the innovation index in 2002, your investment would have grown up in value to over $27,000. By the same token, if you had invested your $10,000 in the major stock indices like S&P 500, NASDAQ, or Dow Jones, your investment would have been up to $12,000 in value. Obviously, the innovation index outperforms the major indices. Let's take a look at our top 20 innovators of the Innovation Index for 2008 and how well they're doing in 2008. This is a snapshot of the latest stock prices as of August 22nd. what is the 12-month target price as set by all the major analysts, and how much of a percent of this target price these companies have accomplished so far. As you can see, our innovators are 85% of the target price. That's a good mark of how well they're doing. But also let's take a look at how well they're doing in quarterly earnings. They have surprised the Wall Street analysts on an average by over 7%. And their earnings growth is even more spectacular. On an average, our innovators of top 20 companies, they're growing about 28% year over year in the quarterly earnings. That's phenomenal. The best part about the Innovation Index Fund is we don't charge any asset management fees. We don't charge front load fees. We don't charge back load fees. Our bottom line is if investors don't profit, we do not profit. For more information about our asset fees and how we manage our fund, please refer to our presentation as well as our PPM. So in short, why IIG? It has to do with our investment philosophy, how we invest in the top 20 companies. We follow the principles of Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. It's our innovative approach to investing, our methodology, our philosophy. The real performance, we are up more than 67% since last year. And our management style, where we don't charge any management fees. Please contact IIG. Our phone numbers are, we are located in Irvine, California. Our phone number is 949-852-3534. Or you can send us an email at info@innovationindexgroup.com. And we are online at www.innovationindexgroup.com. And finally, our offices are in Irvine at 2600 Michelson Drive, Suite 1700, Irvine, California. Again, as the disclosures, investments are not FDIC insured. They do not have any bank guarantees. They may lose value. And please refer to PPM for full disclosures. Thank you.